Thanks for tuning in to the daily message. Yesterday I gave a little background about how the To Be Given Away program started. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about the evenings themselves when we bring the money and people decide how it will be dispersed. Usually the amount is somewhere around $50,000. It's a wonderful, generous amount, just like so many things that this parish community has done. And I'm very proud of the parish for that reason. I don't want to bore you with all the kind of small little rules we have. We have some background rules about how much each group can receive and those kind of things. But what's much more important is how inspiring the evening is to me and hopefully to you as I share some of these things with you. Person after person stands up to say, this is something I'm interested in and would hope that some of the To Be Given Away money could be used for that too. There are people who are working with groups that dig wells for good water in Africa. There are people who do things in the Dominican Republic. There are people who do things for orphanages in Korea, Indian missions in the Dakotas, people who have mental health issues in their family, the food pantry right here in O'Fallon, Catholic urban programs, and some of the things that we are able to help with there. Sometimes the Griffin Center, which is for kids for after-school programs in East St. Louis. There's all kinds of things all across the country that people are doing. As people get up to tell me and tell the group all the wonderful things they are involved in, I am always inspired. And as I hope as you hear some of their stories in the coming days, you'll be inspired too, both by what they're doing and the effect it has on their spiritual life. Thank you.